said she would dance with me if I wore red roses. But in all my garden, there's no red roses. No red roses in all my garden. I've read all that the wise men have written, and the secrets of philosophy are mine. Yet, one for love of red rose, my love made us rich.
You're at least a true lover, day after day have I said of him. Though I'm really not, but now I see him.
The prince will give a ball tomorrow night, and my love will be there. If I brought her red roses, she would dance with me till dawn, and I should hold her in my arms, and her hand will be clasps of mine. But there's no red roses in my garden, so I shall sit lonely, and my heart will break.
You're indeed a true lover. The musician would sit in the galleries and played upon their strings instrument. His love would dance to the sound of the harp and the violin. She would dance so lightly that her feet would not touch the floor. But with him, she would not dance, simply because of a missing of a red rose. So unfair.
Why is he weeping?
Yeah, why indeed? He's crying for a red rose.
Ridiculous.
Hey, if the only thing to bridge a love story is a red rose, I can sacrifice myself to fetch it. Please, give me a red rose, and I'll sing you my sweetest song. Sorry, my roses are white, as white as the foam of the sea, and whiter than the snow of the mountain. Go to my sister, who grows around the sundial, and perhaps she will give you what you want. Please, give me a red rose, and I'll sing you my sweetest song. My roses are yellow as the hair of a maiden, and yellow than the daffodil blooms in May. We'll go to my sister's who grows beneath the student's window, and perhaps she will give you what you want. Please, give me a red rose, and I'll sing you my sweetest song.
My roses are red as the feet of doves, and redder than the great fans of coral. But the winter has chilled my veins, and the frost has nipped my buds, and the storm has broken my branches, and I shall have no roses this year.
One red rose, all I want. Only one rose. Is there no way I can get it?
Actually, there is one way, but it's so terrible that I dare not to tell you.
Tell me. I'm not afraid.
If you want a red rose, you must build it out of music by the moonlight. Stake it with your own heart's blood. You must sing to me with your breast against the thorn. All night long you must sing to me, and the thorn must pierce your heart, and the lifeblood must flow into my veins, and become mine.
Death is a great price to pay for a red rose, and life is very dear to all.